Welcome back to Somerset Place, subscribers and viewers. Today we're in the owner's compound and we'll be covering another lost building, Mary's greenhouse. The greenhouse stood where I am standing today, at the northwest corner of the formal garden. Now, the greenhouse was under construction for a period of about 4 years. Why would a small building take so long to be constructed? It had to do with the importance of this building compared to the business of the plantation. Mary's greenhouse was not going to contribute income to Somerset Place, so the construction of this building was constantly being interrupted. We do know that craftsmen started building the greenhouse in September of 1849. In a letter that Mary wrote to her sister-in-law Louisa, Mary mentions the brick foundation and north wall had been completed. Again, Mary mentions her greenhouse in July of 1852. On the square opposite the storeroom, I have an unfinished greenhouse. By 1853, the greenhouse had been completed. Now, the relationship between Mary and Louisa seems to be very close, and they both become avid horticulturalists. We know that not only were they sending letters back and forth between Alabama and North Carolina, but also various seeds and plants that they were experimenting with on their respective plantations. Guests to Somerset also brought exotic plants and seeds as gifts for their hostess. Fred Fitzgerald, a ward of Josiah Collins III, when traveling abroad, sent Mary various exotic seeds from the East India Seed Company. Mary shared these with Louisa. Mary also cultivated cacti and other flowering plants in her greenhouse and around the owner's compound. Ruella, climbing roses, chromatella rose, night-blooming cereus, scarlet sage, hedges of pink crepe myrtles, and Cyrus japonica. And she was generous with sharing some of these plants with the Pettigrews, the neighboring plantation owners. Caroline Pettigrew once wrote that Mary brought cuttings over personally and planted them for her. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we hope to see you all out here soon. Thank you so much.